Cali land.
Hey guys, today we're going to create just a really easy instant pot soup. You can also do this in the slow cooker. You just cook it for like 6 hours. I'm going to do it in my instant pot. So I have a helper and we're just going to dump things in here and make a soup out of what we have. So the first thing I'm going to put in is about half a bag of spinach. Want to dump it in?
Yeah.
Dump. And I'm also going to put in a whole bag of cauliflower rice.
Can I put that in?
Mm-hmm.
Can I pour it all in?
Yeah, hold on. Let me cut it.
Why did you cut that green man?
Whoops.
What?
Alright, dump this in. We're also going to put in a can of coconut cream. I accidentally bought the light version. You don't want the light version. You want the heavy coconut cream, but it is what it is. Don't eat it.
What?
What are you doing? Don't eat it. You gotta cook it first, you silly bug. And then I'm going to put 2 cloves of minced garlic and an onion. Just wait a second, Becky. The benefit of having small hands is he can get the hard things out for me. Now we're gonna mince some garlic.
Can I mince some garlic?
No, I'm gonna do it. Mince the garlic and put the garlic in. 2 cloves of garlic. 2 tablespoons Italian seasoning.
I lost my eye.
And then you want 4 cups of chicken broth. Mine's all frozen.
I need some scissors, Mommy.
I don't know if the camera picked that up. There was a big noise of something falling over in the bathroom that scared the crap out of me. Okay, so we have garlic, onion, Italian seasoning, broth, coconut milk, chicken, spinach, artichokes, and cauliflower rice. That's it. Put it all in. Don't forget the chicken. 1 pound of chicken. I'm using chicken thighs.
Can I put the chicken in?
This is a little more than a pound. It'll work. No, chicken is raw, so Mommy's gonna do the chicken. So Mommy knows she can wash her hands. Good. I probably should have put the chicken on the bottom. It'll all work out. All right, don't touch it, okay? Chicken is dirty.
Can I put everything on?
I'm gonna cook this for 16 or 17 minutes in the Instant Pot.
I've got to knit it and tin it and grit it and build it and split it.
We don't play with scissors. Let me have this. Oops, Ruben. I know you like scissors. They're not a toy.
Why did you cut that green man? Mommy, why did you cut the green man?
I had to get the cauliflower rice out.
I didn't want you to cut this man.
I'm sorry.
Now his feet are all gone.
Now I'm just gonna go and like break up the chicken a bit. Here's my finished bowl. Of course the kids are melting down by this point. It's too hot for you right now. I'm gonna feed everybody the same thing. Okay, I'll get you an ice cube. Hold on. you really, really want it. I see. I hope you like it. What do you think, Becky? Here's an ice cube. I'm sorry you burned yourself on your soup. Your hair is always in your face. Becky, you can't have an ice cube. Hey, that's a good idea. I should have put an ice cube in it to cool it off. I'm gonna do that. My child is a genius. That's a good idea, Raven. All right, soup. I made it through the day. It's really delicious. Likes the ice cube. How's your soup? Is it good?
Yeah.
Likes the soup. Toddler approved. My husband likes dairy. I mean, he's keto, but he's not dairy free. So I put heavy whipping cream and a pat of butter in his for extra fat. Do you need some help, Becky? Mommy should have chopped yours up a little more. Wow, you got that whole piece of chicken in your mouth. Want some broth?